Keep your epoxy floors shiny without damage. 5 simple methods. Dear friends, epoxy floors are known for their glossy, polished appearance, but keeping that shine can be challenging if you use the wrong cleaning methods. The good news is that maintaining a beautiful finish doesn't require harsh chemicals or complicated equipment. Method 1. Sweep regularly. Dust, sand, and tiny debris can act like sandpaper under shoes and gradually dull the surface. Use a soft bristle broom or microfiber dust mop regularly to remove abrasive particles. Method 2. Use a gentle cleaner. For routine cleaning, choose a mild, pH-neutral floor cleaner mixed with water. Avoid strong acids, abrasive chemicals, and harsh solvents that may damage or cloud the epoxy coating. Method 3. Mop with microfiber. A microfiber mop is ideal because it cleans effectively without scratching the glossy surface. Avoid rough scrub pads, steel wool, or anything abrasive. Method 4. Clean spills quickly. Oil, grease, chemicals, and other spills should be wiped up as soon as possible. Quick cleaning helps prevent stains and keeps the surface looking fresh and reflective. Method 5. Avoid excessive scrubbing. For stubborn marks, let a gentle cleaner loosen the dirt before wiping. Scrubbing aggressively can create unnecessary wear on the coating. With these 5 simple habits, your epoxy floors can stay clean, glossy, and attractive for years. Remember, the secret to long-lasting shine isn't aggressive cleaning, it's regular, gentle maintenance. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.